Hey, how's it going, you guys? Welcome back to your channel. And for this video, I just wanted to do a really quick installation video for you guys. And if you guys saw the thumbnail of this video, you guys already know what it's about. But let me go and show you guys right here. This is my new, or I guess new to me, Rally Armor Skidplate right here. So as I mentioned, this is Rally Armor. Originally I wanted to go with primitive racing for obvious reasons, but the skidplate itself, I was able to pick it up locally for only $100 versus $270 from primitive racing for just a skidplate. It was just really too good of a deal for me to pass over, so I went ahead and got it. I also do want to point out that the width of the skidplate is 3/16, which is the same size that I would have gone for the primitive skidplate, which is perfect. At the moment, I'm not really expecting it to be as good as primitive racing, but for $100, less than half the price, can't really beat it, so we're gonna see how that goes. And for this installation, I do want to point out that I did use spacers from the front and the back of the skidplate. For the front, I actually used 1 3/4 of an inch, and then for the rear, I used an inch spacer, mainly because I was having issues with the skidplate touching the transfer case where it was vibrating a lot, so this helped out a lot. And honestly, it does look a bit better because it is lower too. So if you are considering picking up some Rally Armor Skidplate, you may have to consider using spacers as well. Alright guys, so that would be it for this video. Just a really quick video, nothing too crazy, but I just want to keep you guys updated about all the modifications that I've been doing for the Forester. And that will be it. If you guys found this video helpful or have any other questions, feel free to like or comment down below. And as always, if you guys want to see what happens next to XT, NA6 to 86 to Z to 50 or the Macan, be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.